Hey guys, Stefan Records here. Well, got another little mod for the crf230f. So today I have received a starter motor reduction gear cover cap, which replaces the stock one, which there's nothing wrong with the stock one. I'm just kind of putting color on the bike. You can see red is what I'm going for. So I ordered this off of eBay. It's the nice CNC. You can see there is a part number there, and it was $17.99, and it does come from China, so expect it to take a little while to get here. It took this exactly 2 weeks. I ordered it Tuesday and I received it 2 weeks later on a Tuesday. But if you want to change it out, I do recommend you tip the bike on its side, because I'll show you right now. I've kind of got my bike leaning up on that concrete block, because inside of this cover you got the gears that engage the starter and I think probably the flywheel, and there is like a differential oil or gear oil in there basically. So you don't want to open it up when it's sitting up straight, or that gear oil is going to come out. Ask me how I know. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a cool little cap, this is $17.99 off eBay. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, it set you up on a tripod, but I don't have a tripod. But I'm going to try and take this off on camera and change it, since it looks like it's pretty easy to do. Alright, so give me a sec to kind of get my wrench the way I want it. Oh, it's backwards. There we go. Alright, get you guys a shot. Kind of one-handed operation here. Ow. Hit the peg in my hand. That hurt. Now, there's an O-ring on it. Hopefully it's the right size, 'cause I ordered another part from this CNC place that was that dipstick. It had a 1/16 O-ring on it instead of an 1/8 inch one, but this one looks like an 1/8 inch. So hopefully it's right. It's tight for taking off of my hand. Alright, we almost got it. Use long enough screws. Holy shit. It's a big one. Alright. So let me pop that out of the package. You see, I haven't even taken it out of the package yet, so hopefully she fits. That's what it looks like on the inside. There's the O-ring, nice shiny front. Looks cool. Here's this one. Hopefully there's not a bunch of oil coming out. I think I have it tipped over far enough. Oh crap, I might need a screwdriver to pop this off. I thought it just popped off last time. Maybe not. Let's go grab a screwdriver or something. I don't really have much out here in the barn. Let's see. Oh, there's a couple screwdrivers. Yeah, flat bladed screwdrivers should probably work. So be careful not to mess up your finish. Oop. There we go. I say that and then I'm gouging it up. Our last time I did this, it was a bit snug. Alright. Let's see, I've got it cracked now. Alright. There's the oil. Here's the old one. This is why I was kind of iffy about buying it, because it's like the OEM one's a lot more reinforced than this one. I don't know. Take out this, put in that, fits. Off to a good start so far. Oh fuck, that's what I want to do. Drop that right in the dirt. Give me a second, I'm gonna wipe this off. It's always good to take a nice piece of machined steel and drop it in dirt when it's got to be in oil, you know. Alright, we got it cleaned up good. Alright, so it fits in there pretty good. Check the O-ring on it. Alright, O-ring looks about the same. I don't know, guys. Almost seems like it's a little too deep. Almost seems like this sticks up too far. It doesn't seem much different. Seems like it protrudes about a quarter-inch up. About a quarter-inch up. Looks like the holes are drilled about the same. Come on, you. Oh, there it goes. I don't think I had the pin seated all the way in there. Alright, now let's try this. Aha! Hell yeah, there we go. Yeah, guys, you know how it is when you work on stuff and you're first doing it for the first time, you're not quite sure. Just be careful with it, don't force it. But yeah, that looks really good. Nice tight fit on it. If my phone would focus. There we go. That looks pretty good. Nice chunk of red there. Remember, on this one, you're going to put the big bolt towards the bottom. You get all the dirt off it. Of course, I dropped that in the dirt. Well, I was kind of worried there for a second. I thought the son of a gun wasn't going to fit. I always kind of worry about these Chinese parts, you know, not fitting quite right. So far, I haven't had any problems with them. I've actually been really lucky, I feel. It's hard to tighten these with oil on your fingers. But yeah, guys, if you guys are looking for one of these, as you can see, it's quite an easy little change out. Add a little more color to your bike. Should be good to go. Alright. There you go. Nice little red cover. This is Stuff from Records. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.